Today, we're diving into the world of memory upgrades, specifically the OWC 64GB DDR4 2666MHz ECC SO-DIMM memory upgrade tailored for Synology NAS systems. If you're looking to supercharge your server, microserver, or NAS system, this might just be the ticket to unlocking that next level of performance. First off, let's talk compatibility. This upgrade kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with Synology NAS models like the DS3617XSI, DS1621 Plus, DS1821 Plus, and DS2419 Plus 2, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a novice, the easy installation procedure makes it accessible to everyone. Just pop in these modules, and you're good to go. Now, let's delve into performance. Memory upgrades are renowned for their ability to breathe new life into aging systems, and the OWC 64GB kit lives up to this expectation. With a memory speed of 2666 MHz, you can expect a noticeable boost in responsiveness and multitasking capabilities. Whether you're running resource-intensive applications or handling large datasets, this upgrade ensures smoother operation and reduced latency. One standout feature of this kit is its ECC, error-correcting code, capability, which enhances system stability by detecting and correcting memory errors in real time. This is crucial for critical applications where data integrity is paramount, providing an extra layer of reliability to your NAS system. In terms of warranty and support, OWC has you covered. With their industry-leading limited lifetime warranty and advanced replacement program, you can rest assured knowing that your investment is protected. Plus, their commitment to customer service means you'll have access to free tech support should you encounter any issues along the way. In conclusion, if you're looking to optimize the performance of your Synology NAS system, the OWC 64GB DDR4 2666MHz ECC SO-DIMM memory upgrade is a solid choice. From increased responsiveness to enhanced stability, this upgrade delivers where it counts, making it a worthwhile investment for any NAS enthusiast or professional user. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.